Small, unassuming stones, but great stories. Paul Paquette was born in 1818 in Canada. He worked for the American Fur Company as a trapper along the Missouri and Big Sioux rivers. He settled in what would become Sioux City in 1850 in what is now North Riverside. He was one of our first few settlers. In 1855, he obtained a government contract to operate a ferry into Minnesota Territory, which is just across the Big Sioux River. It would eventually become Dakota Territory. His ferry was responsible for much of the military material crossing the river. He's working for General Harney, who had come to Sioux City, and this is where the Dakota expedition started from, here in Sioux City, into the Dakotas. The ferry was discontinued in 1864 after a bridge was built across the Big Sioux River. Paquette died at age 80 in 1888. And this is the stone right here. They're very, very difficult to read. I barely made out Paul Paquette. I can't remember right now who the other stones are.